Hi, my name is Carly, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create bid packages and bid sheets within the new ConstructionOnline bid tracking program. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the project that you are creating the bids packages for and select Add New Bid Package. From there, you can choose to create from scratch or from template. For today's purposes, I will be creating from scratch. When you're creating your new bid package, you'll want to make sure that you go out and fill out your general details. To begin, you're going to choose your related project or opportunity. If you're creating your bid package within a specific project, this is going to automatically pull. You'll also create your bid package number as well as the bid package title. Bid packages can be created in different ways, so it's up to you and your company to decide how you want to organize them. For the purposes of today, I am creating bid packages for landscaping and site work. You can see some of the bid packages I've created in the past, including mechanical and specialties, concrete and lumber, as well as a finishes package. You'll also want to choose your primary bidding contact. The primary bidding contact is the person at your company who is going to be responsible for managing and approving these bids. You can also fill out important dates. While not all of these fields are required, it can be a good idea to go ahead and fill them out. This includes things like bid docs release dates, site visits, deadlines, and as well as the anticipated award date. This can help set the expectation for your subcontractors of what they should expect once they've submitted a bid. What is required is a bid submission deadline. This is the deadline that they must submit their bids in order for them to be considered. You can go ahead and choose a specific date as well as specific time for that portal to shut down for them to no longer submit bids. Typically, we recommend keeping this toggle on. That says that bids cannot be awarded prior to the bid submission deadline. That is the best practice, but you are able to go ahead and turn that off so you can award those bids if you get one you particularly like. You'll also be able to go in and create your bid package scope of work, as well as the bidding instructions for that specific job. Additionally, you'll want to put in your bid package invitation address. The bid package invitation address is going to show in the from address in the body of the bid invitation emails. Typically, this is going to be your company information, and it is going to automatically pull from your company's default address because you are sending this bid out for somebody. Same concept with the bid package contact information. This is the phone number and email address to show in the body of bid invitation emails so that people can reach out to your company with any questions. You can also choose a labor affiliation if that is something that you and your team are going to be using. The next step are to choose what files are going to be available to people filling out this bid package. When you go in, you are able to select from any of the folders or files in the All Files section for that project. If you want to go in and share something specific within that folder, you can go right here and hit Open and choose to share subfolders specifically rather than everything in a specific folder. You'll also be able to choose the sheets that you want to include in the bid package from Redline Plan Room. The next step is to create your bid sheets. The bid sheet itself defines what line items will be available for bidding. For example, because this is a landscaping and site work bid package, I can name that bid sheet. If I want to include additional scope of work or any expectations here, I'm able to do so. There are 3 methods for creating bid sheets. You can create them from scratch, create them from the project estimate, or create them from a change order. I'm going to go ahead and select Create from the Project Estimate. This will allow me to create the bid sheet using the categories, subcategories, and items currently existing in my estimate. Once I'm done, I can simply choose which items I want to include. I can either search for them or scroll. Within the bid format, I can also request whether it should be amount, unit price and quantity, or include exclude. Once I'm done, I'll hit Save. This will go ahead and add that bid sheet as part of that bid package. The next step is to go in and add your bidders. Once we go to Add New Bid Recipient, we are able to search our contact list for anybody who is going to be bidding on that job or anyone we want to invite. We can also set that up to queue those invites to bidders as they are added. Once I save this bid package, those invitations will be sent to my bid recipients. Once I'm done, I can hit save, and that will add to my bid package table. I hope this was helpful as you get started with the new bid tracking feature in Construction Online. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or check out the knowledge base article linked in the description below. Have a great day.